All right, so special thanks to this company for sending us this portable personal oven. So slow cook, keep warm, no monitoring required. Company logo on the top, no microwave, no more cold food, never uncooked meals, and it's portable. Let's open it up. We got a seal. Let's see what comes in here. Ooh, it looks like it's in a little bag. Nice, so that's it for the box. Very nice. Ah, I see now. Caution, hot surface. So this is a strap. This, of course, can clip on the sides here so you can carry it easier. And then nice little instruction guide telling you everything you'd need to know. But to basically keep your food warm, and you could cook with it, depending on what you're making. And then, so this is just the bag that keeps everything warm. This is the part that would actually, heat up and, cook the stuff or keep it warm. 2-in-1 mini oven. You do have a nice cable here, and it plugs in with a cigarette lighter. You're able to have it plugged in on your way to work and, keep everything nice and warm. And then with this bag, when you unplug it, it's still going to stay warm. Yeah, so the cable runs out the back right here through that little hole to come out back here. And then you're just able to plug it right in. Just a company logo there on the front. Nothing else really special other than a handle on the top. And then, yeah, this is the main device. Looks like you got a couple feet of cable here. And then even a little light here so you know when this is actually working. Very nice. So thanks again to this company for sending this to me. This is everything that comes inside of this personal portable oven to slow cook and keep your food warm. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.